Let us look into the fourth question. Design Verilog HDL to implement binary adder subtractor, half and full adder, half and full subtractor. The half adder design will be two NOT gates of B and A, and three AND gates and one OR gates. There will be two outputs, the sum and the carry out, and two inputs A and B. When you have 0, 0 as inputs, you will get carry out as 0 and sum as 0. When you have 0, 1, you will get 0, 1 as output. 1, 0, you will get the sum as 1 and output of carry out as 0. And when you have 1, 1, the carry out will be 1 and sum will be 0. The expression will be A dash B plus B dash A B dash, and carry out will be AB. Similarly, in the half subtractor design, we'll take two inputs as X and Y and two NOT gates of X and Y, three AND gates and one OR gate. The two outputs X and Y the two inputs X and Y and the two outputs borrow out and difference. In the inputs, when you have two zeros, you will get borrow out as 0 and difference as 0. And when you have 0, 1 as input, you will get 1, 1 as output. And when you have 1, 0 as input, you will get 0, 1 as output. And when you have 1, 1 as inputs, you will get 0, 0 as the output. The expression would be D is equal to X dash Y plus X dash XY dash, and borrow out will be X dash Y. This will be the Verilog code for both half adder and full adder, as well as half subtractor and full subtractor. Input AB and output will be sum, carry out, difference, and borrow out. Half adder, for half adder you will assign sum is equal to A, this expression, and carry out as A and B. For half subtractor, you will assign this difference and borrow out as this given below, and end module. For a full adder, you will take three inputs A, B, and C, and output as some difference, carry out, and borrow out. Full adder, sum is equal to this expression and carry out will be this expression. Similarly for the full subtractor, and finally end module. When you look into the output, when you take A and B as two inputs, you'll take A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 1. Then sum will be 0, carry out will be 1, difference will be 0, and borrow out will also be 0. And when you take A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, and C is equal to 1 as inputs, the sum will be 1, carry out will be 1, and difference will be 1, and also borrow out will be 1.